In the last video, we discussed about purchase budget, what to purchase and material usage budget. So we having material with us. Now we have to produce. So we need to know labor budget. Then we are going to discuss manufacturing overhead budget. Manufacturing overhead budget. So first of all, labor budget. How to calculate labor budget? For single production, how much laborers are using and what is their wage? If you calculate, that is a labor budget, easy, right? So company has a skilled and semi-skilled laborers. Two types of laborers. One is heavy skilled, another one is semi-skilled. Okay, so heavy skilled, I mean skilled laborers take only 0.2 hour per output. For making one output, they required only 0.2 hour. And because both of them are working on that, both of them. So semi-skilled laborers, 0.5 hours they are working per output. Okay, so the wage we are giving to them per hour $12 for skilled laborers and $8 per hour for semi-skilled laborers. You got it? So how to calculate? We know the production budget in April month we are going to produce 22,500. This is already we calculated what is our budgeted production. In May month 28,000 we are going to produce. In June month 36,500 we are going to produce. So that's why I am writing here April, May, June. My production is 22,500, 28,000, 36,500. Then skilled laborers will take 0.2 hours per product and 0.5 hours by semi-skilled laborers per product. So for this 22,500, how much hour the skilled labor will take? 22,500 into 0.2 hours, that is equal to 4,500, that is 4,500. So if it is semi-skilled laborer, then 22,500 into 0.5, that is equal to 11,250. See, very easy, right? We got it. How many hours they are spending in April month, in May month, how much they are producing? 28,000. So skilled labor 0.2 hour per product. So 28,000 into 0.2, that is equal to 5,600. And 0.5 hour semi-skilled, so 28,000 into 0.5 hour, that is equal to 14,000. 14,000 hours they are taking. Next June month, 36,500 they want to produce. So skilled laborers 0.2 hours, 36,500 into 0.2, that is equal to 7,300. Then 36,500 semi-skilled laborers per product 0.5, that is equal to 18,250. So this skilled labor is taking 4,500 plus 5,600 plus 7,300 is equal to 17,400 hours they are working in 3 months. Hours, time. This semi-skilled laborers 11,250 plus 14,000 plus 18,250 is equal to 43,500 hours they are working in these 3 months. Then how much we have to give as wage? Per hour cost we having, right? It's very simple. So for skilled wage, skilled laborers, how much we have to spend? Skilled laborers per hour $12. Semi-skilled laborers $8 for per hour. So this 4,500 they worked in April month, right? So that into 12, that is equal to 54,000. Here 11,250 by semi-skilled hours. So 8 rupees is the cost into 8, that is equal to 19,000. Like this we will calculate May and June. Like 5,600 skilled laborers hours worked, their cost 12. So this is into 12, this much cost we have to give. Then 14,000 semi-skilled laborers worked, 8 rupees is their wage. So into 8, 1,12,000 we have to give. In June month also 7,300 skilled laborers worked, 12 rupees is their price. So that is equal to 87,600. So 18,250, that is semi-skilled hours, their wage 8 rupees, that is equal to 1,46,000. So total we got it. This is total 2,808,800. Then here 3,48,000. So totally this plus this 5,56,800. This much labor cost is going to incur in next 3 months. This is labor budget. Very easy, right? Next, manufacturing overhead budget. Here, what are the overhead? Indirect labor, power, electricity, fringe benefit, suppliers, maintenance, depreciation, insurance premium, property tax, supervision, power, maintenance. All these costs. Is it possible to calculate within the exam? No. We have to find it out from the company. So don't worry, this manufacturing overhead budget will not ask in the exam. It will be given in the question itself. Because for calculation like others we calculated, this is not possible to calculate. So this is according to the company. So this is we can calculate if we having this much value. So this will change according to the company. So in manufacturing overhead budget, you can see here one guy, depreciation. This is the only one person is a non-cash expense. Is there any cash expenses happening in depreciation? This much depreciation? No. It is a what? This is a entry we are passing in the income statement through balance sheet. From balance sheet, this is just an entry we are passing in the income statement. Is there any cash expense happening? No. There is no cash expense. So you note it here, depreciation. This is we are going to discuss in cash flow budget. You got it? So this is all about today class, labor budget and manufacturing overhead budget. See you on next video. Bye bye.